G'day and welcome to the brand new OzCharge Lithium battery range. What a fantastic range this is, and we're really proud to present this product to you. This has been 4 years in the making. We have put a lot of time and effort in to make sure that you get a recreational battery of the highest quality and standard. So, 5-year manufacturer's warranty, available in a range of sizes: 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt, 48 volt. Everything from 44 amp hours right through to your bigger 200s, and there's even a couple of slim lines available in there as well. The battery has an active battery management system in it, which means that it's got active cell balancing. So each of the cells are balanced internally. There's your usual BMS protection, short circuit, over voltage, over current and the likes. The batteries achieve UN 38.3. So what that means is a tick of quality approval for the cells. Those cells are put through rigorous testing, from punctures to over short circuiting to over temperatured, to ensure that they're safe for air and land transport. So that is a massive seal of quality for this battery. We have the power of one. So as a charger manufacturer, our lithium battery charger will do all sorts of lithium, but the algorithm has been specifically designed to work with the OzCharge Lithium range. So you can be assured that you'll get the absolute best from your OzCharge Lithium battery. Cobalt Free. Right now, somewhere in the world, some poor kiddie is being exploited to scratch up cobalt to supply the massive demand globally for lithium batteries. So our cell manufacturer uses no cobalt. In fact, we even found a manufacturer that sources some Australian lithium, which we just think is fantastic for a brand like OzCharge to have Aussie lithium. Way to go. So if you'd like more information on this battery and to see a full list of the features and benefits, jump on our website ozcharge.com.au, and if you have any questions, you can either give us a call or drop us an email. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to talk to you soon.